One more time, say hello.
Hello.
There you go. Very nice and sweet hello. Now can you tell everyone here your name? Amigo is his name. Okay, now Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? So how are you feeling this morning? Good? Excellent. Now not only that, Amigo is also very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A perfect 10! Good job, Amigo. Not bad. This time, he's going to count for us in Chinese.
1, 2, 3,
Hen hao is very good in Chinese. And not only that, Amigo can sing as well, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. The first song is a local children's song called Parrot, which means a guest comes to visit. Now Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Originated from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Okay, this time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang?
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, lihat Yola, sayang, sayang.
Hey! That was a very chirpy song. Now the last song is in English, but before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise your hands if it's your birthday. Let's start from the first section. Birthday. Okay, 1, 2. Anybody else? How about the middle? Birthday. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how about the last section? 7, 8, 9. Okay, so for the 9 of you, Amigo, you know what to do, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the 9 of you, and good job, Amigo. Now it's time for Amigo to go, but before that, can all of you wave and say bye-bye, Amigo? Your turn.
Bye-bye.
Well done, Amigo. Our young named Amazon. Now, Parrot.